Hello, what is your name?
My name is Risa Arbino,
How old are you?
31 years old,
What is your religion?
Church of Christ.
Christian, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have 2 kids, ma'am.
How old are they?
9 years and 13 years old, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
3 years and 10 months, ma'am.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
1 years and 10 months, ma'am.
10 months, okay. So, where's your employer living in?
Living in Whampoa Garden, Hong Kong, ma'am.
Okay, so how many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000 square feet, ma'am.
How many family member there?
4, ma'am.
How many children?
2, ma'am.
How old are they?
18 and 19, ma'am.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up on 6 o'clock in the morning, then preparing their breakfast, preparing their lunch. After that, we am going to the market. After market, just fix the kitchen and clean the house. And then after cleaning the house, I take a shower. Then when we come back around 8:30 for 8:30 till 10. That is our dinner. And then after that, after dinner, washing the plate, dishwashing. After then, I'm go to bed around 12 to 1. That is time schedule for my everyday work, daily working.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.